So it's now starting the drone again, but this time what I'm going to do before it reaches 10 meters, I'm going to tell it to, hey fly, stop.
Waiting for your command.
Stop.
No problem.
And it's starting the next drone from the high point, previous high point. So I'm going to do, get it to stop again. Hey fly, stop. I should point out that I'm using the hey fly command Dronie to start the Dronie, and then stopping it once the progress bar in the app is quarter way round by saying hey fly stop. So first of all I'm saying hey fly Dronie, it starts the Dronie, and then once the progress bar in the app is about quarter way, I say hey fly stop. You'll see in the next screen recorder how it actually works. Okay, so before it goes a quarter round, I'm going to say hey fly stop.
Okay.
So it's now doing the second Dronie from close to its high point in the first Dronie. Before quarter way round on this, hey fly stop.
Dronie.
The control button in the app in the middle before quarter way, I say hey fly stop.
Okay.
And you can see it's extending. Hey fly stop. Stop.
Okay.
So it's now starting the drone again, but this time what I'm going to do before it reaches 10 meters, I'm going to tell it to, hey fly, stop. Stop. Now it's really windy, you can see the drone blowing about here, but... Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to your comments. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, right, thanks, bye.